Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Netgear RS600 Nighthawk Router. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access in all over your home, then this Netgear RS600 Nighthawk Router setup is one of the best solution. The Netgear RS600 Nighthawk is a powerful Wi-Fi 7 router that delivers ultra-fast speed, low latency, and strong coverage for all your devices. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, and smart home setups. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will discuss the product unboxing. The box of your Netgear RS600 Nighthawk router includes everything you need to get started: the sleek tri-band Wi-Fi 7 RS600 unit itself, a 2M Ethernet cable to connect to your modem, a 19V/3.42A power adapter, and a handy quick start guide to walk you through the setup. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the internet port, usually yellow, on the RS600 router. Power on the router, wait until the LED turns solid white or blue. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Nighthawk by Netgear and install it. Find the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password on a label on the router or in the user manual. Connect your phone or PC to this network. Open the app and follow on-screen instructions. It will detect your router automatically. You'll be asked to create a Netgear account or log in. Set your Wi-Fi name and password. Set up admin login credentials, different from Wi-Fi. Let the app check for the latest firmware update. Install if needed. Router will reboot. Once the router is configured and online, test internet access on your devices. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.